So here's a little phenomena. The puppies just started howling, and this is right after they were nursed, so I know they're not hungry. And they all started howling and just stopped. So I jumped in. But I guess, you know, these little babies, I'm so proud, they wanted a little people time. I know, that's what you're saying, right? Right, good. She absolutely relating to me. Right, come here, little baby. That was really amazing. So a howl's kind of a lonely, emotional noise these guys make. And remember, they're not, I know, they're not even hungry because they just had breakfast. So they're really hungry for interaction, which is, I think, a really awesome thing. Right, little babies? Is that right? All right, so Dan, oh wait, don't get me, because I haven't even brushed my hair, but leapt into this whelping box to rescue these guys. I came to their emotional rescue.